How to use Activecampaign. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a landing page using Activecampaign. Activecampaign is one of the most popular email marketing platforms around, and you can also use it as a CRM tool. Activecampaign you can get started for completely free. You do not need a credit card to sign up or anything like that. All you'll need to do is enter your email address, then tap on try it for free in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that and you have gone through the sign up process, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And I want you to pay attention to the left hand menu option. From the left hand menu option, you can see the options campaigns, and you can see automations. You can also see deals, websites, and reports. So for example, if you would like to create an automation, you could tap on automations right there. If you would like to create an email marketing campaign, all you'll need to do is tap on campaigns. But since this example is about creating a landing page using Activecampaign, all you'll need to do is simply tap right where you see website. After tapping on website, you will be redirected to a new page. Once on this new page, I want you to tap on pages. But if you wanted to create a pop-up form or so on for your website, you can use Activecampaign also. But we are going to be creating a landing page, so all you'll need to do is tap on pages. Once you have tapped on pages, I want you to tap right where you see add new page. After you have tapped on add new page, you are going to be redirected to this page. And from here, you can use any one of these templates if you want. All you would have to do is simply scroll down and select a template. But for this example, I will be starting from blank. So I'm going to simply select use this template, which is the blank template, as I'm going to be showing you how to create a landing page from scratch. First, you'll need to name your landing page. So I'll name mine test. Once you have named your landing page, you can drag and drop each component. So you can see the blocks option from the right hand menu option right here. So all you'll need to do is simply select what you would like to add. So let's say, for example, at the top right here, I would like to add an image. All I would have to do is scroll down on the right hand menu option. Then I would select image, and I will simply drag and place an image right there. Then you could tap on the image box. After you have tapped on the image box, you will see the option to add a file. I will tap on add a file just for example's sake, and I'm going to add something real quick. So let's select downloads, and let's say, for example, I want to add this right here. I'll simply tap on open. Once it has been uploaded, all I'll need to do is simply tap on use this image, as you can see right there. And after you have selected use this image, you can adjust the size if you want by simply tapping on the image, and you could adjust the size. So if you would like it to be smaller or larger, you can do that, as you can see right here. So you can see you can adjust the width, you can adjust the length also if you want. All you'll have to do is simply pull on the image to adjust the size of the image. So you can see right there, I could use it as my logo. Then below it, I would like to add some text. Now to add text, all you will need to do again is go over to the right hand menu option. Then you could tap right where you see paragraph, and you could simply drag and place the paragraph right there. So I want to place the paragraph a bit lower, so I could add the text right there. But before doing that, if you want to place it lower, let me show you what to do. So I'm going to delete that section. What you'll need to do, you'll scroll back up, and right where you see row, or better yet section, I'm going to add a new section right there. So I'll simply tap and place the section right here. So you can see right here, drag section. So you can see that I've created a new section. Then I'm going to simply add the paragraph right here. You can see right there, and I could add something else below it. So let's say, for example, I would like to add an image with a caption. I could do that right there. Then after adding the image with a caption, I could add a divider, some form of partition. So you could place the partition right there. Then if you would like to add a call to action button, all you need to do is simply tap on button. Then you could drag and place the button right there. And to edit the button, all you would have to do is simply click on it. So you'll tap on the button. Then from there you will see the menu option pop up. You can change the shape of the button, as you can see right there. You can also change the size of the button. So if you would like it to be smaller or larger, you can do that. And if you would like to change the color of the button, you can also do that. To change the color of the button, all you have to do is simply tap on the button, double click on the button right here. Then after doing that, you will see a little box pop up. You could tap on it, and if you wanted to change the color, you can do that. And to add the link, you can also after double clicking, let's say I would like to add click here. I could simply type in that. I have added click here. If you would like to make it clickable, you would go over to the right hand menu option, right where you see on click. You would tap on default. Then if you would like to open a new link, you can do that by simply tapping on open new link. If you would like to add a download file, you can do that. But if you would like to open a new link, you could tap on open a new link and then paste the URL right here. Let's say you're adding a book or some form of product. You could tap on download file. Then a new page is going to pop up and you would simply add the file right here. So let's say you're giving away a free PDF or so on. All you'll need to do is simply tap on add file and you'll be able to add the download file. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on preview page to preview the changes. And you can add more stuff to the landing page, as this is just a basic landing page that I created real quick. So you can add more stuff to your landing page. This is just a basic landing page. And if everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish page. Once you have tapped on publish page, you can see that they provide you with a free URL. Then you'll simply tap on publish and that's it. That's how to create a landing page using Activecampaign. And if you would like to use it to create other stuff, you can do that by going back to the left hand menu option and tapping on return home. And again, as I said, you can use it to do email marketing. So you can use it to create newsletters and so on if you want. And you can use it for numerous other stuff. So if you want to create a pipeline for your business, for your sales, you can also do that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.